when you Jackie, when you
Let's sing it. Jackie, doggy, yoggy, yoggy.
When you doggy, when you doggy, when you
Maddie, can you sing the real song for us?
When we potty, we flush and wash our hands. Yes, we do. When we potty, we flush and wash our hands. Yes, we do. When we potty, when we potty, when we flush and wash our hands. Yes, we do.
Good job, Matt. I'll fix that, don't worry. Okay, you guys, where are we?
Great Wolf Lodge.
What's this place called, Jack?
Wolf Lodge.
Jack, what is it?
Wolf Lodge. Inside pool.
It's an inside pool?
Inside pool is in a water.
What did you do today?
I can't.
Hey.
I can't hear.
Hey, wild kids. Can you put the phone down for a sec?
Yeah, I
Use a different one.
Jack, what did you do today? Jack. Oh boy. Jack, who did you run into today? Who did you see here? Did you see a friend? Who did you see?
Brooksy.
Brooksy.
No, Maddie.
Maddie, did you see a friend?
Yes.
Who did you see?
Oh,
Henry.
look, Mickey Mouse is oval.
Okay, what did we do today? Maddie, why don't you tell us?
Look!
Yes, Mickey Mouse.
We played at the pool.
We did. What kinds of things did we do at the pool?
Slides. And lily pads. This is not
My
working.
goodness.
No, it's not working.
It's not working. Can you show me your bunk beds?
Yes! Rubby doggy, yoggy, 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 yoggy. Doggy, yoggy, yoggy, yoggy. Here's my doggy, yoggy, yoggy. Where we doggy, yoggy, yoggy. Surprise.
Okay, can everybody say good night?
Good night. Good night.
Can you blow me a kiss?
It's time to... I need to go up. No, this is where this is going to sleep.
Blow me a kiss. Oh, thanks.